Hey everybody, it's Chris the Drone Geek with the Droning Company here at CUAV 2024 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been seeing a lot of my old friends here, but none older and none more of a friend than Shawn Gibbs. Shawn, how's it going, man? If you're not familiar with Shawn and I have a relationship and some of our work with another drone industry or drone manufacturer, and formed a really great relationship. So I was super surprised to see him here today and learn that he's got a new venture in store. So Shawn, give us some update about what your role is with Voliro and what this company's all about.
Okay, so my role with Voliro, I'm a customer success engineer, and basically I do different types of demos, proofs of concepts, all over the United States. So basically, I'm more so United States and Canada, and a little bit of Mexico.
Sure.
Voliro is a robotics company first, right? And they built the drone. They call this a robot in the air. And this drone is the specific case is for NDT testing, so non-destructive testing or contact-based inspections.
Okay.
So what happens is, when the drone, it goes into like a stack or a flare or anything like that, and it measures the thickness of the wall. Okay. And with that measurement, it can tell you if there's any cracks in the wall, any corrosion, anything of that nature. Okay. There's different types of payloads that this drone comes with, but before I get into the payloads, I'm going to speak to how the drone flies. It flies in different orientations from 90 degrees up and 90 degrees down.
Wow, okay.
And you may think about that as like, okay, is it hard to fly? No, it's still mode 2, and any orientation, doesn't matter. Wow, okay. What allows it to fly in those different orientations is they work independently. Right?
Oh, okay.
So with a conventional drone, with virtual quad, when the drone flies forward, it kind of tilts forward. This one doesn't. These tilt forward. Okay. So this is the gimbal on the drone that stabilizes. Okay, gotcha. All right. Yes. So another example. So even when it's making contact, right? You think, well, does it move? No. So if a gust of wind comes in, this like if it comes on the right side, this side will make the adjustment. Okay. And this side will still spin. Wow. This back it's for balance, so basically it spins in both directions. So it'll balance it out, and it'll go in the right direction or the left direction. So there's a lot of moving parts here in terms of just like keeping this thing airborne. That's amazing. That is so cool. And you said about the type of testing. I can see here. Is this the sensor payload that sort of does the testing? Okay. So this is an NDT payload for UT or ultrasonic. Okay. So what it does is it sends the ultrasonic wave through the wall, and it'll give you the measurement of that wall, like the thickness. Okay. Thickness measurement. Pretty big in oil and gas. They use it a lot for NDT, but it's usually handheld. It's never on a drone. This is like the first of its kind, basically. And usually they have to build a scaffold, and it's a whole bunch of moving parts. To do an inspection on a stack could probably take you like 3-4 weeks. But this will take you about 3-4 hours. Oh wow, that's amazing. That is incredible. Now, in terms of like people wanting to find more information out about Voliro, about this particular drone, where can they go to find out more information? You go to Voliro.com, and everything is there. Or you can shoot me out an email, shg@voliro.com. Okay, excellent, easy enough. You heard it from me. Shawn is a great guy. You're looking for something that fits this type of use case application, look no further right here. He's going to get you taken care of. Shawn, thank you so much, man. Always great seeing you. Absolutely. Great, Until next time, we're at CUAV 2024 in Las Vegas, Nevada. All right, guys.